Welcome this video titled Transforming Your Backyard with an Above Ground Swimming Pool. Introducing when it come to create an oasis of relax and fun in your backyard. Few additional and lively, the charming and versatility of an above-ground swimming pool, whether you are look to escape the coaching, swimming hard and simple when to enhance your outdoor living space. Above ground swimming pool often a fraction and affordable solution for even explore the main benefit of urban ground swimming pool from then cost affording natural to then ease of installing and main interest by the time you are finished read you are be ready to talk the plunge into create your own backyard paradise, cost affording enjoyment. One of the most complete reasons of choose an above ground swimming pool is its affordability compared in grounding pool install an in-ground pool can be a substitute finances intimate wallet experience and less base cost that can quick add up. On the other hand, above ground pool are budget friends other that often they so acute enjoyment without break the bank. The national cost of an above ground pool is significantly low, made it accountability to a broad range of house owner. Moreover, you can other find and western to size and design to submit and your store need and budget. This cost affordable natural make about grand pool and attach other of family. First time pool owner are those look of the temperament pool solutions. Easy installing. Unlike in ground pool which requires acclimate and contemporary about ground swimming pool are relaxed, easy to install. In more cost, you can have your pool up the range in a master of the allowing you to enjoy your backyard occasion sun. Then later, here are general overview of the installing process. You will need a select a level and well-lit area in your backyard for the pool initial day. Ground in free form rich and other that cool diamond the pool lines frame occlude more about ground pool can with study prompt frame that are easiest. Those pool frame provide st- support of the pool well and line. Pool line installing. The pool line is placed inside the frame and skirting. This line from the waterproof one of your pool. Filling and water treatment. Once the line in is in place, you can bring filling the pool with water, proud water treatment and felt systems other to maintain water quick and cleans. Conclusion in our ground swimming pool is a fantastic added to an backyard, often a cost affordable, easy to install and customizable solution you from create your outdoor oasis. Its with low main interest, instrument and soft textile made it attached other of lamp and house owner of all background with a wide range of style and size available.